Are you actually vlogging? No, dude.
This is for the vlog. Oh, okay. Me and Shayla are kind of twinning today. We're wearing the same color pants and same shirt. There we go. Okay, good. I'm getting my AP Chem stuff. She's getting ready for the best class of the day. Favorite class of the day. Awesome. Anything.
I just saw Mr. Thompson go like this on the hallway. And that's how he said I have to dance at the Christmas dance on Saturday.
Okay, we just got to my house. Good times. Yeah, I'm with Natalie, but she's trying on dresses for the
naked right now.
she's trying on dresses for the dance because we have the Christmas dance this weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna be a YouTube star.
Oh, it's head.
But it's still a cute dress. See? Yeah. So
I'm waiting for you. Ready? Show them what we got.
okay, we're buying these like fake nail things because for the dance, Natalie wants to have nails because I decided that I was gonna get my nails done.
Shayla does.
But I decided maybe I was gonna get my nails done because Taylor freaking was convincing me to do it. And so now I might, but if I don't, now we have these just in case. And we'll just paint them whatever color.
This is gonna be like a really interesting YouTube channel. People are really gonna like to tune in.
Why?
They're just gonna love it. It's actually smart. I feel like they don't, but maybe.
Where do they have heels? Dude, those are really good. Oh my god, I thought you were talking about these. I was like, that's actually
they're
good.
$30.
But they're $30.
That's cheap.
Natalie needs some black
Dude,
heels.
I
for
could
her
wear
dress.
these like all the time.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. You should get some black heels.
Now we take off the sock. This is actually Natalie's vlog now. Also, my pinky toe is frozen because me and Shayla were just in the woods. I'll just update them. So, basically we needed sticks for the Christmas dance. Found this huge ass stick, so now in Shayla's car there's just a really large stick. It's really cool. Really trendy, really fresh.
So, Natalie wants these shoes now. And so now we're gonna have to call her mom and ask if she can buy them.
Really pretty, really fun.
We're going to bring Natalie to her car and this.
Shayla has in her car right now.
Literally a tree in my freaking car.
It's really cool.
So, yeah.
Do they want to see my boob cut? Wait, show them the naked girl you have in your car. This is our new song. I love how I'm covered by this dog cheek. Alright.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one to RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm wrong and want some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey.
In my defense, it's hard. 20 minutes earlier, I knew that whole
Yeah, we do it all.
and then I just forgot it. So we'll do an update, like a progress vlog Friday when we know the words better. My backpack. Do you want me to take these or do you want them?
It doesn't matter, we're gonna see each other.
Are you like vlogging right now? I gotta watch out for the tree. It's a danger zone. Oh my god! Okay, well, that didn't happen. Okay, well, that didn't happen. It's Natalie, I just broke your car.
It was already broken! Okay, well, that was today's vlog. And so basically I don't have any homework, so I just like watched YouTube videos for a while on my bed. And now it's like 10:15, and I usually go to bed at like 10:30ish because school. And see you tomorrow when Taylor vlogs.